To take your Power BI to the next level, you need to understand some Power BI design patterns and tricks. And one of such design pattern or trick is independent table. Now, what is independent table? An independent table is a table, or typically a dimension table or a master table, which is not going to join with your fact table. So it's not joined with your main table. Now, what are the uses? You want to select less values and want to display more, or want to display something else. You want to join in the major segmentation, and you want to exclude or compare. These are the few use cases of independent table. Now, trend with one selection. So what happens, many times you ask this problem, I select a date and I want to show 12 months trend or 6-month trend or 4-year trend with 1 year selection or month selection. All this is possible using independent table, and independent table need to be used in slicer. Then exclude, you select particular brand and that brand or categorical value should get excluded in the visual. That is another use case of independent table. Compare two dates or period. Again, when you want to compare two periods or two dates, basically then you need the one of them or both of them need to be coming from independent table, the slicers. Same categorical data comparison, again both slicers or the one slicer need to come from the independent table. Then comes the major slicer. The old way of major slicer, you need to create a table where you have the names of the majors and then you need to write down a major which will change the value of the major, the new major, based on the selection. So basically if you select net, it will display the value of net major. If you select gross, it will display the gross sales value. Then page navigation, we have a page navigator, we can get the buttons, but you can also create your own page navigator by using the button which can change the page, and there you can write down the conditional when you click on something which page need to be displayed. Another use case and pretty big use case is dynamic segmentation, where you have different kind of segmentation. Let's say you have a margin and you want a range based segmentation. You have like quantity and you want absolute kind of a segmentation, means basically it's a major. So margin is a major, sum of quantity is a major, and you want to segment that or you want to have slicer on that, then you need the independent table. Similarly, text based segmentation is also available, like the customer, basically retention, new, retained or lost customer. So thank you for watching this. You will find link in the description. All the videos are available on my channel, so subscribe to my channel. Thank you.